Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Now in this video I'm going to be teaching you the basic skills which you need to code in JavaScript. So right here is the place where I'm going to type my code, and this right here is the console, and it will show basically what my code will do. So the first thing that we're going to be learning is called console.log. And what this does, it allows you to put anything you want, any kind of text, into the console. So say I want to put a number in the console, I could just type the number, wait for a sec, and the number appears right there. Now, if I want to write a word or a sentence, I have to do something a little bit differently though. I have to put two single quotes, then in between them I have to write the word I want to type. So there I'll put hello world, wait for a second, and hello world appears in the console. Now if you want to do like some math questions like addition, multiplication, division, or subtraction, you can do it by just doing console.log and then inside the brackets putting the question that you want to put into the console. So if I want to do addition, I could just do that and then type the other number, wait for a sec, and the answer to this question will appear right there. In the same way, if you want to do subtraction, you could do that. For multiplication, do that, and for division, do a slash. Now, if you want to create a variable in using JavaScript, all you have to do is type var and then put the name of the variable. So I could put let's say just my age, and then I'm assigning my age to 13. Now if I do console.log, here's something pretty cool. If I type my age in there, if I wait for a second, in the console the number 13 appears, and that's because from now on, every time I type my age without single quotes on the sides, 13 will appear because that is now equal to 13. Now if I type let, this is also making a variable, but this variable you can change. So I'm gonna put a is equal to 1. Now if you go to console and I type a, let's wait for a second, and 1 appears. That's what we expect, right? But now if I do a and I make it equal to 2, just do that and then go back to console and put a. Now if I wait for a second, instead of, now 1 appears like from before, but then 2 also appears, and even though it's the same variable, it's now equal to a different number, a different amount. Now say I create a variable, and I'm gonna call this variable b, and it's equal to 10. Now if I want to change this variable by 1 or like up or down, well, I can do that by just putting the name of the variable, so it's a b, and then putting 2 plus signs and then a semicolon. So let's wait here for a second and wait. So I could do that, or I could do b2 minus signs and a semicolon. Now if I put 2 minus signs, it makes it lower by 1. And if I put 2 plus signs, it makes it bigger by 1. Now if I go back and I put console.log and I put b in it, now it hasn't changed. That's because I added 1 and minus 1. So now I'll actually change it. I'll increase it by 1. Now I'll go back to console and I'll put b in there. Let's wait for a sec, and now it's gonna be 11. That's because it used to be 10, now it's 11 because we added 1. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.